All right, so one of the things that's driven me the craziest about the Tesla is the number of paint chips and dings and things like that that you get on the front bumper of the vehicle. And that part is something that I don't like at all. And it makes the paint job that is as beautiful as this paint job is look kind of crummy. So I bought the Tesla paint repair kit on the Tesla app. You can go in there and put your particular VIN number in there, which you should already have in the app. But you'll have your VIN number in there and it'll tell you if it's a color match for your particular car that you have. And you can buy the touch-up paint and so forth, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, I'm going to try to fix the dings that are in the front of the car. And I've been putting it off for 3 or 4 days because I'm kind of nervous about it because I've never done it before. And I'm about to throw paint on my beautiful Tesla. So we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. And these are the paint chips that I'm talking about. So like this one here, this one, this one, this one. So the larger ones are the ones that I'm going to be touching up here. And this is the front bumper. This looks awful. And I'm not sure if that's caused by rocks flying up or whatever. I do drive a good bit in this car, so I want to make sure that these get fixed and that they look nice. So, all right, here we go. Okay, next step after that is to take some of the blending solution, which I'm going to do here. And they said the idea is to get any of the excess off very gently, like this. Just give it a rub a little bit, make sure some of the excess that's around the little dots is gone. I guess a circular motion would be good. Yeah, that's good. And I know it's hard to see on the video, but it's actually working pretty well. I'm going to buff it here in just a second, so we'll be able to see that, how that's working. Another one over here, a couple up here. The thing is they're small enough where they don't, any normal human, it really probably wouldn't bother, but I wouldn't categorize myself as that. So, you know, the unique thing about this that I think about when I'm doing this is my brother owns a company called Fabrion, and they do repair for interiors of cars and things like that. He's down in the San Antonio area, so big shout out to Fabrion and my brother. Anyway, the meticulousness of the process in repairing a lot of these things is what makes the difference, because I could half-ass this and, you know, do this where it's not, you know, I don't know. I guess the best phrase is I could half-ass this. Well, so I have to say, that looks absolutely phenomenal. I do say so myself. Now, like I said, if you wanted to get really crazy about it, and like I had a deeper one right here, and I'm still working on that one to try to make sure that it comes out, you know, looking really, really good. But again, it's the paint job on your car, so that's what I want to do. So anyway, but it's working great. Keep rolling here. All right, so this is in the sun. Very nice. So my review of this, really solid. It was pretty easy. This little applicator thing was great. You're just simply dabbing it on some of the bumper little dings that you've got, and once you do that, you're fine. I did put some ceramic wax on there after, and turned out just as shiny and beautiful as always. So Tesla, well done once again. See you soon.